So man?
What's up, man?
You good?
Right now I'm boss, like right now, real boss right now.
I can see that. But yo, I got something for you, man.
What you got me?
Bro, I got this protein from FNX.
What FNX? What's FNX now?
FNX is basically a protein shake, fam. Protein shake, it gives you strength. You know what I'm saying? So you got that muscle, bro.
Got that muscle?
Got that muscle, and it gives you recovery. You know what I'm saying, man? So you can recover.
I need that.
I know you need that.
Alright then, let's go. What do you mean? Just shake that up right now.
Alright.
That's the shake, fam?
It's the shake, yo.
Yo, swing that shake right now. I need
Got
energy.
you.
Got this?
God damn.
Let's go.
God damn. Hit that guy.
Let's go.
God damn.
Let's go.
God damn. Alright.
Let's go.
Hit that back.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go.
Get your FNX now. Link in the description. If you want 50% off, it's TSH1. Get it now.
I don't remember. I'ma call him TS cause it's shorter. I can't get the movement in cause you know it's crazy. TSH movement, you know it be brazy. My little nigga looking like my little nigga looking like Lil TJ. You know he rocking it. Look at his chain, you know that he be stocking it. Look at that watch, it real glossing it. Shit nigga, I almost went blind in it. Whoa. Look at all the damn diamonds, little nigga shining. Oh my God, you a diamond. Oh, you got an earring too. I didn't even see the diamonds on your chain. Whoa, little nigga speaking shit. You know that this beat real good. Hit the shit. I'm old school. I'm really not feeling.
Really, nigga?
We should go out live. That's what we should do. Whoa.
I'm with the guys.
Yeah.
We got the 9. Don't fuck with us.
I got that on the hive.
This guy's trying to fuck my PS4. Which one is goof? He's super bored. He couldn't buy food. Had to bless him a steak. Had to bless him a steak. Oh no, not steak.
Hold up, wait. Shut up. I know I'm broke, but you know I got my funds up. Big pockets. Sometimes maybe they empty. Oh wait, I got some keys and some lessons too.
Where's your chains? Where's your change? That's $50. Change come from me.
I got the change. Look at me, little nigga.
You look like that grandpa in the TTC trying to make $3. Asking everyone for $1. Who the hell you think you are, little boy? You ain't no big boy. Get the hell out of my face. God damn, you're really trying to comfort me? TSH? This guy's not serious. I have to put him in a blender. What?
Little nigga, wait. You know that I go real hard. Don't come for me, that's for sure. Look at you now, Lil TJ, maybe not. Oh my God, moving sick with your bleedy knots. Get up out my face, little nigga. Stop your talks. Take off your socks. I wanna see this shit rock. Let me see your toes. I know they be crusty. Don't be bringing shit over to me.
This guy is trying to see my toes. He's super weird.
What?
Like, damn. Guy, do you want to suck my toes?
Whoa.
Like, this guy want to see my crusty ass toes. Like, I know it's crusty. I know it's ashy. Like, don't come for my toes.
Okay.
Like, bro, take off this jacket. Let everyone see those fucking titties. You badass. Wiggle, baby.
Okay, little nigga, hold up. You talk about me being a little hefty, but I don't really give a fuck. Cause look, while I walk around the streets, everybody, they be fucking scared of me. So watch your mouth, don't be talking about the fuck.
Everyone in the comments, tell me who won that, man.
I didn't finish.
Doesn't matter. Tell me who won
That
that.
ain't fair.
Tell me who won that.
Some bullshit.
That's where your hair from.
Some bullshit.
Shout out to Sabi. You guys don't have to know her, Govy. Sabi, that's all you gotta know, man.
Nigga, back up. Stay in the fucking corner. Look at your gray shorts. They hella short, man. What is this? Some NBA 2K shit? Stop your shit. Little nigga, watch your shit. You're talking too much shit. I'm tired of it. Look, I know you got the money. You got the nice watch and you got the chain. But look, man, you're looking like a dummy. Trying to be fucking Lil TJ. Look, man, it's not working out for you, man. Maybe next year, let's take another lap, bro. Goodbye.
This guy is really trying to comfort me and my fucking chain, say I look like Lil TJ or not. Like, what? And this guy's coming for my shorts. Coming for my shorts or some 2K shit. Well, guess what? Yeah, some 2K shit. I cross niggas out like you're fat ass. You can never guard me. Like what? Shoot in your face. Remember those days? Remember those days I freaking made you shaky. Made you shaky, achy. Oh my gosh, you're super ugly. Oh, look at my flow. Oh, you know how you roll. Oh, it's TSH. Whoa, you know how it goes. You can never comfort me.
Look.
Mind you guys, I was high, okay? I want to tell you guys that I was high as a kite, alright? I just want to put that out there. I was not just high. Me, JS, and Rayvon was high. Alright, continue watching the video.
Calling me ugly, that ain't gonna work. Cause at the end of the day, I know that I'ma get the business. You know that it be for sure. Tell me now, have I ever been wrong about it? You know it's true. Stop talking shit, man. You know that I'm murked. But holy shit, I ain't ugly. I'm not cute either, but maybe no, I can't say that. Back for this one. Oh, come on. Oh, like you missed the whole thing. Yo, right now, actually just okay.
Run it back.
It's flexing, right? It's flexing. Okay. Yeah. You said it. Don't forget. Wow, you missing. You know me, it's fucking D-Ray. Always got the Cuban links on my wrist. Hey. Never, ever, always. Oh, fuck, you forgot! My bad. You know me, it's D-Ray. Got the Cuban links on my wrist. Never lacking, always packing. Got a cold chain just around my neck. Never lacking, always packing. Always ready to shoot a man down. How to shoot him real quick. How to let him die and say, oh, you know me, it's D-Ray. You know me. Got the Cuban links on my wrist. Got a Johnny Benz under my lips. Got many stuff coming up. Many tracks coming right now. Got one tracks in the fucking making. Got JS in the fucking cut now. You know us, never lacking, always packing. You know us. I got T8 on my side, you know him. He's a shooter, you know him. We got TS, we got D-Ray, we got JS. You know we gon' be great. Everybody looking at us like we crazy. Nah, nigga, we just too lit for y'all. Y'all can't rock with us cause you know it be crazy in the streets, rock and roll. Look at yo fit, lil nigga, stop this. You can't be rocking with this. Lil nigga, stop it. Look at my dog, TS, and you know that he be rocking. Oh, look at him do his dance. Look at him while he do the. What's it called, man? Tell me real quick.
Ooh, it's a TSH Billy Bop. It's a TSH Billy Bop. Check it. Okay, this beat is pretty nice, man. I can't even lie, man. I gotta talk my shit now. I gotta run up this beat. I gotta talk my shit, nigga. You know, God gotta eat. I gotta put all my niggas on. The real demons, they're real stummy, man. Oh shit, man. What's the time, man? It's 12:12.
It's
God
demon time.
damn, it's demon time. I gotta go hard. I gotta go hard, nigga. Look at my wrist. My wrist is shining. Cuban links, man. You can't touch me, man. You know I'm a different breed. I'm a different guy chilling in the woods, man. Chilling in the woods by myself, man. I gotta keep this side on me, always strapped, man. Always strapped, man. Never lacking, man. Look at JS, I know you wanna see some, man. Talking shit, man. Talking shit, man.
Pistol packing that you know we keep it tucked, man. Every lane, hey, look at us, we ain't, we don't be late, nah. We rolling in your crib like what, little nigga? We gon' knock you out and leave you underground faceless. Oh fuck.
That's what I was trying to tell you. I was trying to tell you.
Yo, bro, I need a drink, bro. I hit that.
No, it's big leader in the building. Always walking with the line. Always walking with the king.
Hey, I'm Snake Nina. Who is you? Look, I'ma tell you this right now, man. Maybe I stepped on your shoes, or maybe I didn't. I can't see. Okay.
Can't really help you at the moment.
Okay. I'm Stink Nina, I'm blind, walk with a cane. I drive too, you don't want a damn old trucks. I don't give a fuck about what I hit. If a cop come, I spit on his lip.
Funky boy!
Yo, he actually did that, fam. Stink Nina actually did that, fam.
I don't know about that one, man.
Bam.
Man.
Never lack you. Always packing. Always gotta carry that Glock. She gotta lift you. Ready for war. You know us. Always ready for war. Never caught lacking. Never caught lacking. Never caught lacking. Obviously, what the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? It's JSA in the cut. Never lacking. Got T over there.
Sorry, my bad. Got the TS. Got D-Ray in the trap. You know that it be crazy. Whip it up. Got the cocaine. Sell it quick. You know that it, sound like a hyena. No Jumanji shit. You know we be talking about. Lion King shit. You know that a symbol. Oh, he a hitter. TS about to hit the shit. You know that it's crazy. I'm about to walk out the room because you know it's crazy. Peace on nigga. I'm going no way. Ain't nobody wanna talk today.
This guy is crazy. Whoa. He's definitely ready for war. Whoa. Yeah, he's finna show. Whoa. He's a different guy. I always gotta be last because I'm always last. You know I'm always that nigga that had to run up the track because my flow is super crazy, man. Look at my fucking wrist, man. My wrist is thick and glisten, man. I gotta flex it cause a nigga like me never fucking has shit. That's facts. Jeez, facts. Oh, TSH Moon, man, I hope you guys enjoyed the freestyle, man. I'm just doing something different, man. You know I'm rocking, man.
You know, let's pause right there. You already know I'm dropping a track. You already know I'm dropping one track. It's a banger. You already know I'm gonna drop it. You gotta just go to the studio one time. That's gonna be a neat vlog right there. You already know.
So yeah, man.
Close it out now.
Yeah, man. Stay tuned for the man's track, man. It's gonna be fire, man. I'm telling you. My nigga Johnny produced the beat, man. Shout out to you, Jonathan. You know what I'm saying, man. Sorry, let's call you Johnny. You know, but yeah, you know who you are, man. But yeah, yo. Once again, I hope you guys like the freestyle. I'm trying to do something different, man. I'm trying to give you guys the sexy ass content, like I told y'all. I know I missed a week, but you already know. Coming up, I'm about to double upload. You know, man. So y'all stay tuned for these videos, and yeah, man. That's it.